Hey guys, I'm Shankara. Welcome to the Profit Traders community. To those out there who are trading binary options, I'm here to show you a briefing of my trading strategy. You might be wondering, charts look so complicated, aren't you? Believe me, once you learn the skill, it's very simple. Most traders who are creating videos do not show their trading history, no matter what strategy they have. And I'm going to do a little different. This is my trading history trades which were done on 20th of January. These are all the results, and it was a continuous 11 win. Let me zoom in for you. Here you can have a clear vision, and this is a real account. You can verify with the time which is shown here. It's all real, and I'm using live account, not demo account. I'm using live account, and these are the results of the next day trading which I traded on Monday. The This was done on OTC market, and this is 21st of January. So let me show you today's trade, and these are my today trades. I would say this strategy works for me about 95%. Most of the time my prediction is correct, and if you follow the rules properly, you too might see this result on your trading tree. Okay. And if you are interested to learn, I'll be showing you how to trade using these indicators and on how to capitalize on these indicators. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out the next video, as I'm going to reveal the golden strategy where you guys can become profitable after watching my videos. And that's it. I'm going to end this video now. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.